Hello, my name is Galvino Medina. I am with Hallsville High School. I am their student council advisor. So I live here in Marshall, where we just got finished hosting a conference, a fall conference for student council, where we had over 500 students here. Amazing. And of course, we had an amazing guest speaker to come talk to us, Chase, which I actually heard him talking during one of our conferences for the advisors in September. And so I heard him talking, just his energy was just on fire. And I love that energy. I want to bring that energy back to my community, back to my school. And I had the privilege of having him to come host for us. And he did not disappoint. And he's just like, oh my gosh, he just connected with the students. He came down to their level and then raised them up to become even better people than they really are. And I mean, the kids were just cheering. You can just hear them nonstop. They're off their seats, they're cheering, they're posing, they're doing amazing. And honestly, guys, if y'all have not had Chase come talk to you guys or come talk to your schools, if you haven't heard him speak, get on his YouTube, get on his stuff, and follow him. And he has amazing messages to give out. He can talk to all levels, to younger kids, to high school kids. I mean, I'm sure he's great with college kids, and then even with the advisors. You know, he gives us another little lift up, like, hey, you got this. We can continue this. And so, Chase, thank you so much for coming out here, and it's been a privilege, and I hope we get to work together again.